Okay, hello again, guys. Today I'm going to be making a wreath for my door for decoration. I'm going to be using some wine corks, a wired heart-shaped wreath pattern, and some plastic succulents. I'm going to be using a glue gun, glue, and you need glue sticks, of course. And so I'm going to start by using my succulents, and I'm going to glue them where I want them. So it's not difficult to make this decoration for your bar, for outdoors, for indoors, or whatever you want to put it, wherever you want to put it. So let's begin. But you get the idea. This is what's gonna go all the way around till we finish the whole thing. Okay, so it will look nice. Look, all these corks are gonna go all the way around to make our heart wine cork and plastic succulents wreath. So, as you can see, it's coming along, and on the curves here you have to really adjust some of them, so it doesn't really matter how you lay them, but this is how I did mine, and then it gives it like the 3D dimensional look. It's coming along and it looks really nice, and it's not even finished. So the pretty part is this part, and on the other side it doesn't look as great because of the glue, but you can also maybe use wire to wire them down. So I probably will do that, but if it doesn't really need it, I won't. But for me, I think this will work because we're not going to be moving this back and forth. We're just going to hang it on the wall. But it looks nice. It's coming along really nice. Look. Okay guys, this is the finished look of the heart wreath with corks and dried succulents. Then I found this little burlap ribbon, and that I'm gonna use to hang my wreath. So you just get a piece of any ribbon you would like to put on there. I just thought this is better because it matches the corks. So this is the finished look of my wreath. It is very pretty, and that's the end of my project here of my wreath. It's really pretty. Please subscribe at the bottom of my channel, and thanks again for watching. See you on the next project that I do. Thank you.